Peace lilies. We all love them. Peace lilies are beautiful. The foliage is green and lush, and the flowers look a bit like flamingos in either pink or white. And we love to give them away as presents, and we love to keep them ourselves. They look great in the home and they look great in the office. The only problem is peace lilies love to die. And for an example, here's this one that I bought recently, and you can see it's already starting to go brown, and they tend to do this before they cark it, which is a nasty habit of most peace lilies. And I know this guy online on YouTube, another YouTuber called Nick, who tells everybody that one of the plants that he can't grow very well is a peace lily. They all die on him, even though he loves them to bits. So that's mine at the moment. It's a terrible shame, isn't it? But look at this. Look at this. This is the one that I bought a little bit earlier. It's lush. It's green. It's perfectly healthy. So what's the deal? The thing is, there's a little bit of scuttlebutt going around online that what might keep them alive are self-watering pots. Yes, when I started collecting plants, I put this in a self-watering pot. The type where you can stick your finger in there and feel whether it's wet or not. It's doing fine. Okay, the flowers have died off it, but that's normal. It's been through its flowering cycle, and now it's finished. But the leaves are growing, they're green, and apart from an odd little tip on the end, everything's just dandy. Whereas this one isn't. Now, you might notice that that's in a self-watering pot, but that's only been in the pot for a week. You see, when I started collecting plants, I thought I'd put them all in self-watering pots, but I only intended to get about 3 or 4, and that's not how it works when you start collecting plants. You end up with loads. So I thought putting them all in self-watering pots would be too expensive. So this was in a standard pot, the pot that it came in actually, and it started to go brown, and I went, that's no good. I think I'm going to get another self-watering pot and put it in there. So anyway, yeah, there's been talk about this on YouTube and various other places like Reddit, that people are having more success if the plant is put in a self-watering pot. So go and get your self-watering pot if you've got a beautiful peace plant. Peace out.